a movie or television show because sometimes you have to have multiple versions of the vehicle for action sequences. A great example of that would be our Fast and Furious films. Not only are you dealing with customized vehicles, but multiple customized vehicles and multiple versions of those customized vehicles. You have the hero version. That's the version of the stars drive throughout the production. They don't get a scratch on it, and they look good. That's what they call it, the hero version. Then you have the stunt versions of these vehicles. Sometimes I could number 4 to 5 of them to perform all these different stunts. Woo, they blowed up good, blowed up real good. And with even the concrete jungle, they take you to a jungle, I don't know, the coast of Costa Rica. Coming up on your left is the mobile land featured in the Lost World Jurassic Park. You know, it seems that the dinosaurs always escape in these films. Now, we have dinosaurs on the premises, but you know what? We have round-the-clock safety protocols, round-the-clock safety personnel monitoring that round-the-clock safety protocol. So, round-the-clock we have safety. So, you don't have to worry about being attacked like in the movies. Shows you being attacked like this. What the good doing? They move to 20. Oh, mama! Sweet James I have no idea that was going to happen. Noticed our Spinosaur off to the left peeking through the trees. Apparently these creatures sleep standing up with their mouths and their eyes open, so don't make any sudden noises back there. You don't want to wake her up. It's very hard to put her back to sleep after she's eaten something. Now this is the big place. You can get lost around here. It is 400. Get cozy, take pictures. Alright, hey, it's raining. It's only raining on half of the tram up here. I guess that's what Fritz Coleman would call a 50-50 chance of rain. You know what? Elements coming together like this could create flash floods. We should probably get going now, Goodwin. In fact, I do hear some deep rumbling. That means there is a flash flood in the area. But you do not have to worry about that. Unless you're sitting in a blue seat wearing blue. Oh, I'd take cover back there in the second or third car if I were you. Because that water's coming for you. Coming to get you. You think I'm playing, huh? Look at where we're parked. Our driver just said if I can break this stuff. Oh, yes. Enjoyed that. We dump thousands of gallons of recycled water from tanks at the top of the hill. The water crashes down the hill, gets pumped right back into the tanks at the top of the hill. Just like what we did for Big Fat Liar. We are inside of an actual sound stage. It's split level. Up above, we recreated an urban street scene with trucks and cars. Down below where we are, that's just because that's just movie water that washes right off. That's wild. Easy like earthquake, the big one. Well, we simulated an 8.3 earthquake on the Richter scale. By the way, that soundstage is used for an episode of the Fox television series Bones, starring Emily Deschanel and David Boreanaz. Speaking of water, we're headed to Amity. Amity was menaced by a 25-foot man-eating great white shark. The one of our biggest hits, Jules. But I do see another shark out there. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Keep your arms, legs, and heads inside of the tram at all times and hang on to your personal belongings. I read somewhere that when sharks are about to attack, they submerge or go underwater. I know that guy. That's George, or Jorge. That's one of the best police stoppers. Don't try this at home. This man's a trained professional. You have to have a lot of guts to do a job like that. And there's his. Don't worry, there's a first aid kit in the boat. Now we attached the wrong person to that yellow barrel. Let's see if the shark takes the bait. We just parked next to these gas tanks. We'll be safe here. Sharks don't like gas. And look, it took the bait, and the pier too. If that flammable liquid doesn't ignite like that. Hang on. Woo, that's hot. That's Africa hot. Tarzan can't think that kind of hot. Want to see it again? Ha ha! We should go because that's hot. What's that? I've heard that before. If you wanted a window seat, you come face to face with Burst, the Mechanical Shark. That's why my Burst, the Mechanical Shark in the movie Jaws. They had a lot of problems with the shark in the movie. So much so they started calling the movie Flaws.